Hey, welcome back to the next part, and in this part I'm going to show you the ways to make the elevator. In the previous part I have shown you what we will need, so let's make it. First, we will take one A4 size paper and then we will take two scale big and small and we will measure 1 centimeter from the bottom and mark it. Then we will measure 4.5 inch for the downwards. And 5 inch for the sidelines. 5 inch for the sidelines. So we have made it, and now we will draw the extra lines. This is the line from where we will cut. There's a mistake and I have to erase it. Now we will design it a bit because it's the front side of the elevator. It's the door of the elevator and I'm drawing. Finish the drawing of the door. Now the buttons. It's just my design, but you can also design it by yourself. I'm giving a notice in here. Okay. We will do the same thing, same measurement for the next part. So we have to, here we have done the next part and it is the back side of the elevator and it should be blank. We will not draw anything because we don't have to show anything here. It's just for designing. Okay. Now we have to border the border with marker. I have done it. Then I have to color it. Red and green for buttons and black for sides. Here we will write notice with a red pencil. We have done it and now it's our the two sides and I have drawn it. You can also draw it with the same measurement that we have done earlier. We have to cut it from the extra layer we have drawn, not from the bordered side. will know in future what we have done it. So we have cut it, but don't throw away the extra papers, keep aside, because we will need it in future. We have also cutted the side papers and we're keeping the extra sides. Now we have to do a thing with it. We have to bend like it, the extra layers. The four sides of this paper we have to bend like that. Okay, we will do the same thing for the other sides. We have done it. Now we have to cut the corners, because it will not necessary for us to keep. Like this way we will cut the corners. In the same way we have to cut the other parts. Okay, now I have gotten the sides. Now we have to glue. Before we have to use glue, we should have to do a thing. That is, we have to make a rolled paper. We take the nib we have and then make a roll. We have doing this because to make the sides stronger so that they don't bend. Okay, doing this part. We will cut the unnecessary parts. Okay, we have done it, and now we will use the Scotch tape for covering the whole rolled paper. I'm cutting the Scotch tape and we have to cut the extra Scotch tape layers. Okay, we need to make 3. I have made it extra 3. Okay, now we will take the front side of the elevator and take one rolled paper and measure it according to the sides of the front paper and cut it accordingly. We have gotten it. We need 3 so that it remains strong. We have cutted it. Here we have 3 rolled paper. Now we will use the glue to attach it like this way. And now The remaining paper will be like this in here. Okay, look, our front side are so strong. Okay, we will do it for the other things, other sides. Here I have done it. Now we have to attach them together to make a box. Here we have to cut the extra parts that we have remained so that we can attach with the others. Glue. We use glue for things. I'm using scale to do it. Okay, so I have attached one side and now the another side. See how I attaching them. If you have any problem, you can contact with me. Follow me on Twitter, Paper Engineers 253, and Instagram, Paper 253, and Facebook page and Facebook group. The last part. Sides. Now we have to glue it. We don't need to use the Cos tape for announcement. Glue is enough for it. Okay, now we have to attach the last thing. Here I have a mistake, but don't worry, I have done it. The last part of I'm doing. Take some time. with the pen we will make the rolled paper. We have made it through rolled paper. Now we will touch the coaster with them. Okay, here we have done it. Now we will cut according to it. If you cut it, we will have 6 rolled papers, cutted papers. Look here. Here we have 6 rolled papers. Now we have to attach them with the papers. Look how I attach them. Here the another. Here we have done it. Okay, now we will take the lift elevator. Now we have to cover the downside. It's the downside we are covering like this way. Smoothly, no mistakes. We don't want any mistakes here. We have to glue this like this way, the 4 sides. Here we have done it. Now we will cover the upper side. Same way. Look. Done, and now we are covering the upper side smoothly with no mistakes. Okay, here we have done it. That's our elevator look like, but we have more things to do. Next part coming up. Click on the